1989, I came to America with my family and a 172-pound Mastiff Neapolitan, one of a kind, beautiful dogs. One morning, I realized then the dog urinated on wall-to-wall carpet. I didn't have in those days Oriental rug yet. And I bought all the cleaning product in the market, tried to remove it without any success. I even called the yellow truck, the black truck, another carpet cleaner. And I learned that no one can give me the guarantee in writing, no trace of urine odor. As a wildlife photographer, this is my professional, I realized that I cannot make a living as a photographer in 1989, and I switched position and I become a carpet cleaner. I invented the XpetPee machine, and I put together the odor-free blended minerals from the Dead Sea, a cleaning product that I brought from my hometown, Israel, Jerusalem. And this cleaning product cleaned the Oriental rug. Any Oriental rug, drapery, pillow, without depositing any unpleasant smell into the fiber. Take a look how the XpetPee machine works. The odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea flood the rug on the top gently. The vacuum, the XpetPee machine, extract all the cleaner through the rug. Flush out, wash out, rinse out all the chemicals that you put it on the rug, all the soap, the Febreze, the cleaner the Oriental rug else did on the rug, and the urine crystal. All of them fall down to the pen and sent to the sewage. On the way to the sewage, I can see how bad the rug look. And when the cleaning process progresses, the two become lighter and lighter. The XpetPee machine with the odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea is the recipe to clean Oriental rug, remove the urine odor with a guarantee in writing. Color will never run, never fuzziness, never hair pulling from the rug caused by the scrubber or the squeezy that squeeze the rug back and forth, because we never touch the Oriental rug in the wet cleaning process. We guarantee color will never run, and because the Dead Sea cleaner, it's odor-free, it will never deposit any unpleasant smell into the rug. Upon delivery, I ask my customer, please put your nose whatever you want on the clean rug. Guarantee no trace of urine odor or chemical smell. When we complete the cleaning process, we dry the rug on the floor for the next 12 hours, and after this, the rug will be hung for the next 48 hours. After this, the rug will be folded as a special way. We put the label, UPS coming every day to my warehouse to pick up the Oriental rug and deliver a new one, and the rug will go back to the customer home. Guarantee odor-free. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. Cleaning through the rug with the odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea. Thank you for watching.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.